Have you ever wondered why your friend can draw amazing things just by lines and you are stuck with funny jokes with stickman? I'm sure you already know that there are two parts of your brain. The left is responsible for logical things like math, and the right brain is the free one, the creative one, the free spirit. Now, this brain dominance determines how you see the world. Visual artists are able to see the world in terms of lines, shapes, colors, and the relationships between these things. This allows them to translate the three-dimensional world into a two-dimensional one. When you are drawing, your logical brain tells you to draw what you know rather than what you see. Hopefully, after finishing this course, you will be able to see like an artist and draw what you see. Your logical brain and creative brain are, of course, working together. And when you are drawing, you really need this cooperation. In your logical brain, there are symbols you store from your childhood. For infants, drawing is about the excitement of making marks on the paper. The scribbles doesn't represent anything at all. But when they become toddlers, they start to name these scribbles. But they still don't look as the things they are representing. Later, around 6 and 7 years, children try to be more realistic in their drawings. Rather than just drawing two dots and a curved line as the face, they start to be more realistic. Eyes become more complex. They have iris, pupils, and there are teeth inside the mouth. So your drawn face looked like this. And you drew it over and over again. You drew it for mommy, you drew it for daddy, with the difference that you drew long hair for mommy, short hair for daddy. You drawn the mom smaller, the dad bigger, the siblings even smaller, etc. These overly drawn things are the symbols you store in your logical brain. If I would ask you to draw an eye, you would rather draw this symbol than the eye you are actually seeing. Well, here it is where there is the cooperation needed between your creative mind and the logical mind. These symbols are not bad at all. They will help you when you will be drawing from your imagination, when you will be illustrating a story. They help you to express yourself. You will need these stored symbols, and you will need to override them. This course aims to show you how to do that. When attending art school, I didn't really get why I'm supposed to draw still lifes, figure drawing, and all those things when I just wanted to express myself. And after that, I was just dissatisfied because I didn't have the things what I needed to express them. I looked at the drawing and I didn't mean that. Okay. I just wanted to express the world inside me. Well, with drawing exercises and practice, you will train your brain to pay attention and to override these symbols. Here's another question. Why did you stop drawing? Every child is drawing. It is their natural way to express and process their emotions and experiences. Well, in the early teenage years, there is a breaking point. It's a little about interest and talent. The schools stop to offer compulsory art lessons and art becomes elective. And you were dissatisfied with your symbols and decided, I can't draw. Well, here you are and you can. In this course, we are going to do drawing exercises, which will help you to override your well-known symbols and to teach you to draw what you see.